Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Pulituo 6-inch mini chainsaw cordless, a game changer for all your gardening and outdoor needs, offering a lightweight and portable design that allows you to operate it with just one hand, making it perfect for trimming tree branches and cutting wood without the hassle of gas or power cords. This powerful tool features an advanced pure copper motor that runs at 4020 RPM, delivering an impressive cutting speed of 19.7 feet per second, effortlessly slicing through branches up to 8 inches thick in just 7 seconds. Equipped with a 2000 mAh lithium battery, this mini chainsaw provides up to 20 minutes of uninterrupted work time, and its high-hardness steel chain and deep-quenching processed bar plate ensure durability and resistance to rust and fractures. Weighing only 2.8 pounds, it's designed with safety in mind, featuring a safety baffle, handguard, and security lock to prevent accidents, while the battery pack includes overheat and overload protection. Say goodbye to traditional gasoline chainsaws and manual saws, as this versatile tool can function as a branch cutter, tree trimmer, pruning saw, limb cutter, and tree clipper, making it an ideal gift for men, women, and DIY enthusiasts. The Pulituo mini chainsaw comes with everything you need, including a battery, charger, 2 chains, a plastic bar cover, a screwdriver, a non-woven bag, and a manual, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable experience. If you have any questions or issues with your mini saw, feel free to reach out to us for a replacement, as we are committed to providing you with a pleasant shopping and using experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.